Hello, this is a quick video announcement for week 5. Now, as always, please go up to week 5 and either download or print out our online weekly checklist. When you click on this, this is our checklist for this week. As far as your task this week, you only have one, and that is for you to complete Grammar Quiz 2. Now, as far as for Grammar Quiz 2, this is going to be in conclusion of the grammar lesson 2, which is focusing on the 2 grammar errors of run-ons and comma splices. Now, from reading your diagnostic essays as well as reading your example illustration essays, it's very evident that as a whole, the class, not all students, but the class as a whole has some problems with those 2 errors. These are errors that deal with either lack of punctuation or incorrect punctuation. So I really want y'all to look at all the resources that I have listed here, and these are on the checklist. Now, if we'll go back to our Canvas page, I just want to mention a few of these. Now, I have 2 video lessons that I've actually made myself about the 2 errors of run-ons and comma splices. Again, these are the same lectures that I give to my in-class students, and those are underneath the Grammar Review 2. It's A1 and A2. Those are 2 separate video lessons on the 2 errors of run-ons and comma splices. Also, you may want to print out this 5 methods to correct run-ons and comma splices, because it does give you the different ways you can correct these errors, because there's not just one method, there's several that you could use to correct these types of sentence errors. Also, there's other great, awesome resources out there. I have not made them, but they're beneficial and I love and want to share them with you, from Khan Academy, also some humorous ones from Shmoop. And there's some more serious academic, like focused videos that I have linked here from YouTube. This particular handout, letter H, it's a really good resource on just different types of punctuation, semicolons, colons, dashes. I really want to see y'all starting to use a various, kind of a very amount of punctuations. I don't want it to be a comma and, comma but, comma so anytime you do a compound sentence. I want you to use semicolons, maybe even later be confident in using dashes and colons. Also, there's some websites I think you would find very helpful. Now, as far as preparing to take the Grammar Quiz 2, I do have some little self-test interactive quizzes. Grammar Bites, there's several interactive quizzes on comma splices and fused sentences, which is just a synonym for run-ons. Definitely try those out before you take the quiz. And as always with the Grammar Quiz 2, you have 3 tries. The highest grade is the one that will be recorded in the grade book. There's also another exercise 5 self-test and also repairing run-on sentences. Okay, for those of you that have comma problems, not just restricted to run-ons or comma splices, I do have 2 videos that just talk about all the different ways commas are used. You may want to check those out, as well as take a quiz on all the different comma rules. It will be helpful. Now, it is huge. I'm not expecting you to print it out, but it is a grammar packet and it has all the different punctuations and rules and examples for you. And of course, after you view all the video lessons and the websites and maybe take some of the interactive quizzes and self-tests to prepare yourself, then you're going to take the Grammar Quiz 2. Okay, remember, don't just jump into Grammar Quiz 2 right off the bat. Look at all these resources I've given you, and I promise you're going to do better with having those lessons to refresh your memory on these types of errors. All right, well, I hope you have a productive week 5 and good luck on the Grammar Quiz 2. Thank you.